Hi guys, welcome to another Thank Truckers Friday. We're going to get into this MAN TG3 TGX, the GM cab. It's got a near side lower passenger door window, in-cab locker, CabStore locker with TruckChef Microwave in there, and there's a DVS system on here too. DVS for London, direct vision standard. We've all heard about it by now. It was meant to come in last October. It got delayed because of the pandemic. It's now coming in on the 1st of March 2021. Yes, you do have a 90-day grace period after that, just to say you're working towards it and have your equipment installed. But what is it you need? Basically, you need what's classed as a DVS safe system as a minimum. That takes your cab, if it's a 0-star, to a 1-star. That 1-star safe system essentially comprises of a near side blind spot camera, near side blind spot sensors, a left turn alarm which comes on, says this vehicle is turning left when you indicate left, essentially, or any other form of alarm. And also in the cab there's a screen which, when you indicate left hand down, it shows you full screen on the near side camera, which show you the blind spot. There's some other things like some pictorial safety signage, obviously your standard mirrors from the factory, your near side curb and your front view mirror. You're going to need them anyway, you should have those anyway. If you haven't, you're going to need to have them fitted. That's essentially your safe systems. Like I say, that gets you the 1-star. Now that's great, that gets you compliant probably for the next 2 or 3 years whenever TfL decide to progress it on further. But the point is, they are going to progress it, and they're going to progress it from 1-star, 2 stars, 3 stars, all the way up to 5 stars eventually. So when that progression comes, which is going to be in the next few years, what a lot of fleets are already fitting are additional items. And one of the most popular additional items that fleets seem to be fitting at the moment are these lower level passenger door windows. It gives the driver an unparalleled line of sight straight through to the blindest of blind spots right here. So if there is a cyclist or a pedestrian or another road user beside them at the traffic lights, or whenever they're going to turn left, they can see, the driver can see the hazard here. We fit these here. The ones we fit have what's called a letter of no concern from the manufacturer. So this is particularly on an MAN. Essentially, MAN have signed it off to say they are perfectly happy with the install. They're perfectly happy still with the structural rigidity of the door, which makes a huge difference, obviously, because that is a serious safety thing. It needs to be strong, and they're happy with the line of sight for the driver as well. So, single glazed piece of glass, obviously automotive standard glass with all the approvals. Nice colour matched exterior trim, which is sealed on, so it looks like it should be part of the vehicle. It looks factory. It's aftermarket, but it looks factory, and that is the point of this. As we open the door up here, and Tom comes around behind me, we fit a new interior panel to the door, because we obviously have to cut a hole, because otherwise there would be lots of things in the way here and you wouldn't be able to see through it. Through the window, nice clear line of sight. The main point, the main passenger window remains fully operational. That passenger window will come all the way down and go all the way up. So there's no loss there. There's a nice channel here with some lined velvet sort of feeders that allows that glass to pass up and down in between. We do have to upgrade the speaker system as well, just on the near side here, so you get a nice high quality speaker. That's the lower level passenger door window. We're going to jump inside and I'm going to show you the locker and the microwave. So, the new GM cab from MAN, the TG3 TGX GM cab, was the old XLX. Lovely interior redesign. I don't think there's any arguments there. What MAN have done with the interior is really nice, really smart. Unfortunately, with the way that the lockers have been redesigned to optimize storage, there's now not an option to fit a microwave in the center like we used to do on the XLX, not without some serious changes to the front locker system. So the only option really you have as an operator is to either fit a rear set of lockers. So these are our CabStore Lockers for the GM cab, which is excellent, gives you another 450 litres of storage. OEM colour match finish, looks like it should be here, looks like it was here from the factory. Sliding doors, we can put locks on these for you as well. or we're also about to launch, and you'll have to keep an eye on our website, we're going to launch a quarter version, or a third really, version of this locker as well, to give people a more price friendly option if they just want to fit a microwave, because the point is, inside here we are able in one of our lockers to fit our TruckChef microwave. It's a full size microwave like you'd have at home. It's not small, it's 20 litres, 800 watts, just like you would use in your kitchen. Mounted nicely on a set of mounting legs inside here as well, to just to allow airflow underneath. Simple dial system, on off switch, and a door with a rotating plate. You know, it's a microwave. I'm not really sure what else to say about it, but the point is, this rear locker system, or our new corner locker system as we're calling it, which has one locker, space for a microwave and a coffee maker as well, they're two great options for adding kitchen appliances or additional storage to the new MAN GM Cab. Rear locker system on its own here, they start at $795 plus the VAT, microwaves $395 plus the VAT, and then there's fitting on that as well. Cool. Slippery floor, hey? That was good. We'll cut that. Yeah, so $795 for the locker system, $395 for the microwave. Corner locker system, going to be in the region of £500–600, so some more of a budget option there. Microwave on there gives you the option for a coffee maker too. Like I say, keep an eye on our website for that, because that's coming really soon. Microwave comes with a 1-year warranty as standard. We can go up to a 3-year site visit warranty if you wish to. We've got different upgrade options there. Very reliable unit as it is anyway, very popular with many manufacturers, fully type approved as well, so again, no issues there. So yeah, that's CabStore and TruckChef for the new GM Cab. It's also available for the new GX Cab as well if you're into your MANs. CabStore and TruckChef are also available for pretty much every other brand and make and model of heavy truck cab that you can possibly fit one in. We've done it, and if we haven't done it, we're probably doing it, and it's about to be launched. So yeah, that's it for this week, guys. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe as always, and we'll catch you again soon.